Hi everyone, my name is Anissa and I'm a biology major with a minor in medical anthropology.
My name is Brittany Gray and I'm a forensic science major with a focus in biochemistry.
My name is Catalina. I'm a mechanical engineering major here at UCF.
My name is Mansi and I'll be entering my 4th year as a biotechnology major.
My name is Amber and I'll be a sophomore this upcoming school year. I am majoring in computer engineering and minoring in electrical engineering.
My name is Bree and I'm a forensic science major.
Hello, my name is Anastasia Green. I am an aerospace engineering major.
My name is Gabby Gagno and I'm from Jupiter, Florida. This is going to be my 4th year here at UCF as a biomedical sciences major.
My name is Gabriella. I'm a sophomore here at UCF, majoring in biology with a minor in psychology.
My name is Alyssa Simpson, and I will be a 3rd year environmental engineering student.
My name is Mariana Saros, and I'm your mentor. I am double majoring in mechanical and aerospace engineering with a minor in leadership studies.
My name is Bailey and I'm a civil engineering major.
I'm Camille Hayes and I'm a pre-health biology major, health sciences minor here at UCF.
My name is Trinity Johnson. I'm a forensic science major here at UCF.
My name is Kayla. My major is industrial engineering, but I also have minors in computer science and math.
My name is Lacey Hayes and I am a computer science major.
My name is Jamie Malich. I'm an aerospace engineering major.
My name is Alexis. I'm a biomedical sciences major.
My name is Amy Yelvington and this is my 3rd year as a GEMS mentor. I'm in my last year as an information technology major.
My name's Katie and I'm a biology major.
I'm Tati and I am majoring in aerospace engineering.
Hey Knights, my name is Rondra and I'm majoring in material sciences and engineering here at UCF.
I chose to attend UCF because it was a great option for me, first of all being so close to home, but also because of the diverse community that UCF is home to.
Despite UCF having one of the largest student populations, I was easily able to meet other STEM majors and have smaller math classes through the Excel program.
I chose the Excel program because I wanted to make the transition from high school to college socially and academically a little easier, and I definitely think I've accomplished that.
Excel gave me so much support in my 1st year through my math classes and through the social events that they held.
I felt very supported, and that came through a lot of the resources Excel provided for me, like the Excel Center, where I could get homework help throughout any point of the day pretty much in all of my STEM subjects, but also through the whole mentorship program where I was able to meet other girls in my major and just make some really great friends.
My 1st year here at UCF, I was a GEMS mentee myself, and I think it definitely aided in my transition to the college experience because moving to a completely new place and starting at a new school, especially as big as UCF, can be super daunting, and my mentor was super helpful in helping me find more resources, getting involved on campus, and making friends in general.
GEMS really helped me come out of my shell and it helped me make a lot of friends. All of the girls that were in my GEMS group I'm actually still friends with and talk to almost on a daily basis and see whenever we're free.
It can be intimidating not seeing a lot of other women when you first walk into your STEM classes. But that's why GEMS is here to help. You can ask your GEMS mentor for advice on how to connect with more people and opportunities in your field. Regardless of how small or insignificant your question might seem, your GEMS mentor is always there to help.
I was more comfortable going to her for questions about the little things, like how things worked or where things were, than I was trying to go to faculty. And GEMS also just led me to have more confidence. I went to conferences that I didn't think I would have before because I knew that other people were going within my GEMS group.
The GEMS program gave me additional support as a woman in a male-dominated field.
UCF was my top choice and I'm glad to be here.
Welcome to the GEMS mentoring program.
Go Knights, charge on.